So there was a few different grades of shingles that they used when they built these homes, but this looks like it's been replaced. Excuse me. This is a really good high grade shingle. It's pretty tough. There's a little bit of wear on the ridge here. There is a crack in the shingle right here. So this protects your ridge. Water comes down this way. So this little area does need repair. There's a shingle right here that's gone. You have two nails that are exposed. You'll get water seeping in that area. A little steep here. Okay. This shingle here is gone. Now, this shingle right here, it's to protect, of course, the roof. You know, this area is to protect this vent. Okay, so when you have a shingle that's missing in this area, you will get some water seepage into here. If you look at the other side, that's how it's supposed to be. This shingle's gone. Same thing here. This shingle is gone here, and if you look at the other side, this one's in place and it's loose. But anyways, not seeing really any hail impacts. One thing that you look at when you're looking at a roof is the metal on the roof here. So we don't see any dents here. That's good. This shingle area here, or this area where the shingle is missing, stand by. This is a little steep. Okay, this is the other area where the shingle is missing here. Other than that, I mean, roof's in pretty good shape. Got a lot of life left. Just have a few areas that need repair. One other spot, and it's way down here, so we're gonna pause. Okay, this is the other area that I saw. It definitely needs to get a repair. Put a little shingle in right there too. Maybe a tree rubbed against it or something. But and there was that one spot right here. That's what they call a nail pop. And so when the nail backs out, like right here, this shingle eventually is going to go and take the rest of them with it. So that's about it.